Hey, what's up viewers? In this video I'm going to show you how you can install the best VPN which can help you access any kind of websites and gives you unlimited bandwidth. And the best part is it is completely free. So this is going to be the best option for private use and no trial versions are involved in here. So let's start off. But before that, make sure you subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any updates and new tips and tricks from me in the future. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is open the Google Chrome, and on the address bar type Chrome extensions, press enter and open this, maybe the first result, Chrome Web Store or extensions. Okay, now search the store. Basically type the name of the extension. Here the name is Touch VPN. Press enter. And this is the extension I'm talking about. It is offered by touchvpn.net. And click on add to Chrome button. It has 68,952 downloads and rating above 4, so that's pretty good amount of rating. Click on add extension. Okay, now it's added automatically to our browser. If you do not see this icon here, it may be just unpinned from the extension tab, extension bar. You have to click on this add-on icon, extension icon, and pin any extension that you would like to appear, make it appear on the extension bar. So it's already pinned. Now you may see that it is available in different platforms. It is available in iOS, Microsoft Edge, on Firefox, and it's also available for Android browsers too. So let's see how it works. So without switching on the VPN, let's try to access this website called Spotify. And see, Spotify is currently not available in your country. So what we're gonna do is turn on the VPN. So switch the location to maybe United States or whatever you like. Okay, you can also select this best choice option, which will automatically select the location for you. And now click on connect. So wait for some time, and now it is connected. You can see your speed, the bandwidth, and number of sites unblocked by you using this VPN. Now let's refresh this site. Boom! See, now it is already unblocked. I can download it, I can listen to songs if I like. So this is the magic by this Touch VPN. It is simple, easy, and not only VPN service, it also offers you ad blocker service, trackers blocking. You can even block cookies and malwares and so on and so forth. So what do you like? Just enable it and use. So you can see your speed, and you can click on auto protect websites or exclude websites. So these are the things that you can do with Touch VPN, and that's it. You can even sign in to save your settings. So that's pretty much it. What you can do by using Touch VPN. So that's how it works. You can download on your browser. If any problem persists, make sure you comment down below so that I can help you. That's it, guys. So if you think this is awesome and this is helpful for you, please like this video and please subscribe to us and press the bell icon so that you'll get instant notifications if we upload a new video to our channel. Make sure you comment below how you like it. So that's it, guys. That's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching this video.